Hello and welcome to our REA tutorial. My name is Sigrid Liebler and today I will show you how to use LabelTower for random inspections of a product packaging regarding to correctness, completeness and readability, and also how to verify the code quality of a barcode or 2D code in one single combined inspection station. The print layout and which data is to be checked must be defined beforehand. This teaching process is described in another tutorial. In our example, we want to check the front and the back side of a product packaging at the same time. For this, I place two samples next to each other on the working surface. The front of one package faces upwards, the other faces downwards. The orientation doesn't matter, as the software recognizes the layout in all rotational directions. I just have to make sure that both product stickers are within the blue marked frame on the table, so that they are fully in the field of view of the camera. All further steps are carried out on the PC. I start the test with New Check. I now have to enter the item number and the variable data BBD and batch number. I can either enter that manually via the keyboard, or for an optimized inspection process, I can scan this data from a code on the production order with a scanner. I confirm with OK. The layout check begins, and in our example, the print quality of the barcode must also be checked. I have to turn over the package because the Vericube measures from below. Now I have to position the barcode in the area of the crosshairs. When the software recognizes the code, it is highlighted in green. I start the measurement with Continue. When all checks are successfully completed and the overall result is marked with a green bar with OK at the bottom of the screen, production can be started or continued. In our case, a red bar with error is displayed because the BBD and batch number were printed incorrectly. The printer data must therefore be corrected. With new samples, I do New Check. I scan the order. Now, the barcode measurement must be started. I see that this time all fields are displayed in green. With a grading of 2.8b, the required minimum quality of the barcode has also been achieved. The final result is displayed with a green bar and OK. So, production can continue. This is how fast and easy it is to avoid errors in product labeling with the LabelTower. If you have any questions, please find our contact details below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours, Sigrid Liebler.